NGHIHA cia KIUMIA. Ukanake. Ngigi nĩ ihũthũkĩire kũndũ gũtiganĩte, reke tũmũrĩke ũrĩa irahĩtanwo nacio. Ona mĩrũri rĩ, no ĩrahũthĩka gacagaca-inĩ ĩyo. Minister wa Urimi Peter Munyagatirau, Ngigi ikinyete ku.
Tumesunguka na ndege huko juu na tukaona vile zimesambaa kwa miti kila mahali hapa.
Na leo warora ali okuona atia.
Tunataka tu kuhakikishia ya kwamba hizo nzige vile ziko ni sayelo. Hizo yellow color inamaanisha ni nzige wazee. Zimezeeka karibu sikufe.
Atia.
Hizo nzige vile ziko ni sayelo. Hizo yellow color inamaanisha ni nzige wazee. Zimezeeka karibu sikufe.
Munene, ngigi ici ona cia yero itikuria mimera yothe ona cie nguru.
Kwa hivyo hasina uwezo mkubwa wa kumalizia chakula huku. Saa hii shughuli yake ni kutafuta wataweka mayai yake wapi.
Utiganu wa ici na icio ingi ni uriku?
Hivyo ndio sababu mnaona siko chini hapa. Mchana kama ni zile za kawaida, huwa sinaamuka asubuhi sinaenda sana. Nyingi. Kwa sababu siko kanjia ya kuenda kufa.
Munene, twaguthaitha tutarĩrĩrie ũndũ tũkũnyita.
Tunaelewana? Tunataka tuelewe science ya hizo nzige, tusumbue sana, tufikirie hizi zimefika hiyo inji ya kusaa mayai. Isa mayai ni kufa tu inangoja.
Mũrũgamĩrĩri wa atumia kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu wa Mucoba okuga atia wĩgiĩ Ngigi.
If we had quite many young people trained in the agricultural value addition training category in this country, we would not be crying foul about locusts in this country. We actually should be celebrating.
Urauga tukenerere Ngigi niki?
Because we could have harvested these locusts in numbers and dried them in numbers and use them as high protein value addition in the animal feeds industry production.
Na njĩra nguhĩ urauga tugethe Ngigi.
And these locusts are very good source of proteins. Instead of us importing many insecticides to mess our economy, to mess our environment, to poison our soils, to poison our vegetation in the name of killing locusts, we are supposed to be thinking on harvesting, drying, and preservation of these locusts into proteins that I have mentioned.
NGHIHA.
Reggae in the bathroom, reggae in the bedroom, reggae everywhere.